Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to create telephone diary as a mini project. I will explain you step by step. First, create a project. Under Visual C#, click Windows. Here Windows Form Application. Here name the project. Telephone book. The default form loaded. Now we have to design the form. Click the toolbox here. These are the common controls. Click label. How many labels you want to copy and paste it? 5. Text boxes. I need 4 text box. One combo box. I need 5 buttons. And one data grid view. Now I name the labels. First name, last name, mobile number, email ID, group, here text box, text, first name, text, last name, text, mobile, text, email, combo, group. Here button, save, view, update, delete, and new button. Now I change the font size and style. Now align the label and text boxes. To show the header text in the grid view, this is a DG post name, whatever you name here what you have to display in the grid view header, that you have to mention here. So post name After finishing all the field, click close. This is add and then close. Here we have to set the width of each field. So I set email ID fill. Now designing completed. Now we are entering in coding part. Save. For telephone directory, we need a database. For that, click the Server Explorer. Here, server name, click dot or your system name. Here, enter the database name. Telephone book. Telephone book database is not already created. Would you like to attempt to create it? Means you have to click the yes. So telephone book database created. Under this, click the table. There is no table. Right click the table and add new table. How many field you want, you may create here. First name, data type, varchar. Last name, data type, varchar. Mobile, data type, varchar. Email ID, email, varchar. Last group, data type, varchar. So save the table. Table name, diary. Here I select mobile as set primary key. Save and close the table. For connecting SQL database server here, we have to declare the namespace here using data.sql client. SQL connection con equal to new connection. Within the double quote, we have to put our connection string here. Click the database name here. Here go to properties, connection string, copy and paste it here. Okay. Now save the button. Save button. We have to open the connection here. SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. For insert query, we have to use this SQL command. If you know the insert query directly, you will write here. Otherwise, go to the table name, right click, new query. New query window will be open here. You choose the table which you want, click add and then close. Here default select query will be here. To change the type, right click, change type, insert values. So select the field names here. This is the insert query. Copy this and paste it here. It will throw a error because it's in 3 lines. To avoid this error, put @ symbol before the double quote. Otherwise, make it in a single line. Okay. Here group is a SQL field name, that's why it's displayed in within the square bracket. Okay, no problem. Go to open table definition, right click the table, open table definition. Here I change the field name as category. Now we have to pass the values here. Single quote, double quote, plus symbol. First text, first name dot text, plus symbol, double quote, single quote. Single quote, within that double quote, within that plus symbol, within the text last name dot text. Like this also we can type here. Text mobile dot text, text email dot text. Last one is combo box. At last we have to give the connection here. cmd dot execute non-query. After that we have to close the connection dot close. After the record inserted to the database, we have to show the message box. For that, message box dot show within the double quote saved successfully. Okay. We will check it now. I run the form. First name, mobile number, email ID, group. Sorry, I haven't created a group. And one more thing, here typing mode available. Go to view designer. So we have to select the list of group categories from this. For that we have to choose here drop down style, drop down list. Otherwise in running mode we can enter some text here. To avoid that we set drop down list. So I am creating here data edit items, family, friends, colleague, office, business. Okay. Now again I run the form. So now we can't type here, so we can choose list of items only. So friends. If I click the save button, so saved successfully. So I have to view the saved records here. For that we will write code now. Before that we will check it in table. Right click, show table data. The record inserted successfully. Okay. Now we will write code for view. For view, when I successfully inserted the record, that time also I want to view the record in the grid view. For that I create a function void display. So I call this function after the message box executed. In view button also I call this function same. For inserting a record, we used a SQL command. For fetching the record from the database, we use SQL data adapter. So we have to write the select query here. That also we can use here. Diary select new query, add table name, add table. Here default select query will be displayed. So if you want to select all the columns, put star. Select star from diary table name. That I will write here. Select star from table name diary, connection. Here data table dt equal to new data table sda dot fill dt. Now I use for each statement. For each data row in dt dot rows. Int n equal to data grid view 1 dot rows dot add. N number of records will be displayed in the data grid view row. Now data grid view 1 dot rows of n dot cells. Here we have to mention the under column name dg post name within the double quote dot value equal to row of dot to string. Here we have to put the field name, first name, like that. I copy this line, just changing the column names here. DG last name, DG mobile, email, group. First name here, last name, mobile, email, last category. In the load event also I will call the display function. For that, right click the form, load event, display function, call the display function. If you want to edit anything, right click this, go to definition, the display function will be here. Okay, now again run the form. Okay, in the load event I call the display function. For that the record will be viewed here, first name, last name, mobile number, email ID, group, all are. Now we have to write the code for update and delete and new. update if I want to update the record, the displayed grid view, number of records displayed in the grid view. So if I click the record, it has to come here in the text box. After that we can update and delete the records based on condition. So for that, click the data grid view. Selection mode will be, see here. Here we can select single column only. If I select any column here, the full row will be selected. For that, go to properties, here selection mode, set full row select. Again run the form. You will see if I click full row selection mode. Okay. If I click the record in the data grid view, it has to come in the text box and combo box. For that, click the data grid view, go to events. Here mouse click or mouse double click, anything you can use. So I am using mouse double click. Here data grid view 1 dot selected rows, selected rows 0 dot cells dg first name dot value dot toString equal to here text first name dot text equal to data grid view 1 dot selected rows cells dot column name value dot toString. So if I click the record in the data grid view, it has to come in the text boxes like that. I copy this line and paste it 5 times. Here text last name text mobile dot text email, here combo box root dot text. I just copy and pasting the column names here. DG mobile, okay, we will check it now. If I click the record, that all are came into text boxes, first name, last name, mobile, email ID, friends, etc. Now I can update the record or delete the record. For that, now I have to write the update query. Update query also very simple. Click the update button. Here we have to open the connection first. Second, insert, update and delete, we have to use SQL command. Within the double quote, we have to write the update query. Select the table name, right click, new query. Choose the table name and then close. Here change the type, update. So which field I want to update, select the field names. So based on a mobile, I can update the values. For that, equal to 1. make it in a single line. Now we have to assign the values as usual, single quote, double quote, plus symbol. Within that, text first name dot text, last text last name dot text, mobile number, text mobile dot text, email, category, combo box text. In where condition, based on which condition we are updating the record. For mobile number, I have to pass the mobile number value, text mobile dot text, cmd dot execute non-query, and then close the connection. Here we have to call the connection string here. For that, we have to display the message box, message box dot show. Within that, updated successfully. Okay. After completed the updated record, we have to show that in this data grid view. For that, again we call the display function here. If I click the record, so that I change the mail ID. If I click the update button, updated successfully. So it's wait. So if I click the view button again and again, it's this repeated records are displaying. To avoid this, go to display function, go to definition. Here, data grid view 1 dot rows dot clear. Okay. Now we will check it again. If I click the update button, record updated, Nisar last name or Nisar Agman. Okay. If I click the view button again, the repeated records not displayed, only one record. Okay, now we have to write the code for delete button. So I just copy the update buttons. Right here, delete from diary, delete from diary where mobile number equal to, assign the text box values in connection. Here, deleted successfully. Okay. At last, new button. If I click the new button, the whatever the text displayed in the text boxes, that has to be cleared. Text first name dot clear. For clearing the text box, we have two methods. That one is text box name dot clear. One second method, text equal to, like that also we can write it, text mobile dot clear. text email dot clear combo box combo group dot selected index equal to I put -1. Why -1 means in the combo box the list of items will be displayed. If I put 1, the first 0 1 like that number of items will be displayed, first item will be displayed. If I click the set the -1, the empty row will be displayed in the combo box. This dot active control text first name. This means if I click the new buttons, the all text boxes will be cleared and the cursor focus will be in the first text box. I run the form. If I used a second name, if I click the save button, the record saved successfully. So we have 2 records in the database. If I click the new button, what will be happen? We have okay, all are cleared and this is empty row. For that we have set select combo box that selected index equal to -1 like that. So now we have to delete the second record or first record. Second record I delete the, if I click the delete button, the records will be deleted. Okay, now we have only one record in the database. Okay, this is the mini project of telephone diary. Okay friends, this will be helpful to you. Okay, if you need more videos, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.